Hey guys, wanna know how to add indicators in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, make sure you have MetaTrader downloaded, launched and logged in as well. If you haven't done any of these, we have created a full guide on it. Make sure to watch it as well. Now once that is done, just simply head towards charts right here. Now on the top you can see this small icon right here. This is the indicator icon. Simply click on. Now select this main chart or this F plus icon right here. This adds an indicator. Now you can just simply choose what type of indicator you like. I'll just go for moving average this time. And right here you can also change its style, colors and much more. And once you're done with it, select save. And there you go. Moving average has been successfully added to your timeline. And now on the chart right here you can see these dots right here. This indicates the indicator we just added. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.